The timing belt on my ryobi string trimmer slipped off the flywheel, and I need to find out how to put it back on while keeping the engine in time.
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. These illustrations will show you the lineup positions of each component. Hope this helps.
Rick, the flywheel didn't come off, only the belt. The belt slipped off the flywheel.
That was my understanding. That's why I posted diagrams to show the timing position of the belt. Neither of these illustrations show the flywheel. The first illustration shows the pulley the belt runs on. Am I perhaps misunderstanding your situation? Please clarify.
I am sorry, the belt came off of the pulley. So do I just line the pulley mark up like in the illustration and slip the belt back on?
Additionally, you have to make sure the piston is at top dead center, but once it is, then just line up the mark as shown and reinstall the belt. You'll be timed properly that way.
One more question. How do I know when the piston is at top dead center?
Remove the spark plug, then put a wooden dowel or a screwdriver, very carefully, through the hole until it's resting on top of the piston. Using that to feel the piston's position, pull the starter rope or turn the flywheel by hand until the piston is at its highest position in the cylinder.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.